Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County, Anson County, Montgomery County, western Richmond County, southwestern Randolph County, Stanley County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Rockwell to 8 miles west of Ansonville to near Buford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Wadesboro, Troy, Maiden Lake, Ansonville, Plyler, Holston, Locust, Norwood, and Baden. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Davidson, Montgomery, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley.
Yeah, I got
The severe
some
thunderstorm
strong
warning
thunderstorms
for
outside my area with
southeastern
heavy rain.
Randolph